At this moment of the ceremony, I'd like to call Francisco San Vicente to the stage for the student representative address.
This is too high. Wow. Okay. I can't see you here. But, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty members, parents who are still in disbelief, and to my fabulous uh, fellow graduates, welcome. Well, look at us now. Against all odds, we survived the late night DQs, endless case studies, and even occasional crisis of identity, wondering why we signed up for the roller coaster ride. Sorry, Ryan. But here we are, ready to struck the stage with our hands earned diplomas and confidence that could rival a runway model. Reflecting on our journeys feels like binge watching a sitcom, packed with drama, hilarity, and enough plot twists to make Netflix jealous. From the nerve-wracking orientation to the thrilling climax known as capstone. Hello, Sir Fikrod. We've shared a moment that will have us chuckling for years to come. And let us get a round of applause for those group projects that were, by some miracle, we pulled up together in a nick of time. Teamwork at its finest. But amidst of laughter and chaos, we've grown in a way that we never imagined possible. We discovered passion, sharpened our skills, and maybe mastered the art of navigating to IAULA without Google Maps or Apple Maps. It's been a wild ride, but hey, the experience led us to this moment, and I would not exchange it for anything else. As we stand and gaze on the real world, it's time to put our skills to the test and show the world that what we're made of. Sure, there might be potholes along the road, like realizing that there's no manual for adulting. But hey, at least we survived financial accounting, business decision, and accounting, right, Sir Yagarian? Sir Sigmund? Before we charge headfirst to the brave new world, let us take a moment to had our backs before along the way. To our professors, for magically turning accounting and APA writing into a comedy gold. Who knew numbers and citations could be so entertaining? To our families, to our partners, friends, thank you for sticking us through the highs and lows and the occasional kitchen disaster that could rival a cooking show gone wrong. Special thanks to my mom. I think my mom is here. Hi. Let us not forget the unsung heroes of our school days. Isa, led by Faisal. I know you're here. Yeah. Thank you for throwing an event. You made us laugh, cry, and question our dance moves till midnight. Remember that, right? And for the RSO community who's barely new, I would also specially mention the Filipino community or my Filipino friends here, and for Filipino graduates. Thank you so much for helping us out through the years, sharing food, sharing information, sharing DQs. You know what I mean. So here we are, Class 2024, the future managers, artists, and professional Netflix bingers. Let us never forget that where we came from always keeps our eye on the prize. And let us show, if life throws us curveball, remember laughter is the best medicine, and chaos is just another word for adventure. Congratulations, my fellow graduates. Let us get out there, sprinkle a little laughter, and joy into the world. One bad joke at a time. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.